Assalamu alaikum, beautiful souls. Today's message is for anyone feeling lost, worried, or uncertain about their path. Remember, Allah's plan is always better than our plans. Sometimes we find ourselves in situations that don't make sense. We question why things aren't working out the way we hoped. But Allah tells us in the Quran, verse, "But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not." 2:216. Think about this. Every difficulty you're facing right now is preparing you for something greater. Every closed door is guiding you toward the path that's truly meant for you. Remember, when Prophet Yusuf, A.S., was thrown into the well, it seemed like the end. When he was imprisoned unjustly, it seemed hopeless. But these trials led him to become a leader, saving countless lives. Your current struggle is not your final destination. It's merely a chapter in your story. Here's what you can do when worry tries to overtake you. Make dua with complete trust. Remember Allah's past favors. Take practical steps while maintaining tawakkul. Help others. It shifts your focus and brings barakah. My dear brother or sister, Allah never burdens a soul beyond what it can bear. Your tears, your prayers, your struggles, none of them go unnoticed. Keep going. Keep believing. Keep trusting in Allah's plan. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe for more reminders that bring us closer to Allah. Jazakum Allahu khairan for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.